Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today's video is a follow-on of yesterday's video where we took a look at the Modelones colour cubes where they did a collaboration with three famous influencers. We also took a look and swatched their 6-piece Breathable Skin Tone Builder in a Bottles. I forgot to mention this as well yesterday guys. Those 6-piece builder gels are actually an 8-in-1 function gel. I'm going to pop a picture on the screen now showing the different uses that you can use them for. I didn't actually realise until I'd put the video out. So today we're going to apply some full cover tips on my right hand using the builder in a bottle. I think I'm going to use the clear, and then I want to decorate them using some of the colours out the colour cubes. So I have already prepped my nails in the previous video. If anyone's not seen that video, I shall leave the link to it in this video's description box. So I'm just going to apply some dehydrator. Now I'm going to apply some Ultra Bond Acid Primer. Make sure you don't get this on your skin, guys. When I'm applying this, I like to swipe down the sides, swipe down the middle, swipe down the side, swipe down the middle. I do find it disperses itself over the nail, so you don't need to go right up them sides or right in your cuticles. It kind of disperses itself out. Let that air dry. Now I'm going to apply some of the Modelones base coat. I really like these Modelones brushes. Can you see how well they fit into them cuticles? Now I'm just going in and I'm just etching that inside. You need to etch the inside of these tips, otherwise that gel's not going to want to stick to them. Gel doesn't like sticking to a shiny surface. So that's just going to give that something for that gel to stick to. My tips are already sized up. I'm going to be applying the tips with the Modelones 008 Clear Builder Nail Gel. I'm going to use this as like a gelx kind of method. And I'm going to be using my Madam Glam Cali lamp. Now guys, if you haven't got one of these lamps, you need one so bad. Especially if you're doing lazy girl method, if you do gelx method, because you can stand it like that and you can get both hands in the lamp like this. Perfect. I could not be without this lamp now. So what I'll do is I get a little bit of the gel, apply that to the tip like that. Push it back into that cuticle well. And just pop it into the lamp. Voila! That is all stuck down. So easy. Right, next one. A little bit in that tip. Remember to turn the lamp on this time. Stick it down, put it in the lamp. Because that Cali lamp is a 36-watt lamp, guys, I don't even have to stick my hand in my big lamp afterwards. That is all fully cured. I love that lamp. I'll leave the link to the Madam Glam website pinned in my comments if anyone wants to go over and take a look at that lamp. Remember, you can save 30% off the price as well using my code GG30. but it's already a really good price on that lamp. But yeah, with an extra 30% off is even better, eh? Right, so they're all stuck on ready. Let's get some design done on them now, shall we? So we're going to start off with this one. I'm going to be using my Modelones gel brush. I did also give these tips a coat of base coat off camera just to save time before I applied this. Just bear in mind I'm using my non-dominant hand as well, guys, which I'm not too clever at. I'll just show you me doing one more. Or else we're going to be here all day. Right, so they've all had 2 coats, guys. Don't worry about these little bits here. I am going to be getting rid of them at the end. Now, I'm going to be doing some artwork on some of these. So, I've pulled out the Modelones matte top coat. And I'm going to give them all, apart from the pinky, I'm going to give them all a coat of matte top coat. So, that's them all matted out. Right, so we're going to start off by using this beautiful pink first. I had to use that in this set, guys. It is so pretty. It's so pretty. So I've got my favourite nail art brush out. And on this pointer fingernail, I'm going to be painting a Chevron French tip. Give that a cure. On this ring fingernail, we're going to be doing a ombre. Well, that was the easiest ombre I've ever done. How easy was that? You know, because it's shimmery, it makes it such an easy colour to ombre. So give that a cure. Now I'm going to use this bright pink colour. Going to do the outline of that Chevron smile line. I'll start off by going around here first. Now, to start with, I was doing like a proper pointed Chevron smile line, but because the tips are kind of rounded at the end, I decided to round it off more, and I think it just looked so much better. I did the same on the pointer fingernail as well. You'll notice that's more rounded as well. And I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure. Not sure what happened there, guys, but my camera stopped recording. So I've just given that pinky now a coat of the bright pink. Cured them in the lamp. Now I just want to seal them in with some top coat before I do anything else. I've pulled out the Modelones shiny top coat. Right, guys, so I've pulled out this sample from the Colours World. Search number TCT714. And I just thought that is going to be the perfect match. Look at that. And it's got that kind of purpley pink UV shift to it to go with that. I think that's going to be perfect. And I keep pulling out these samples, guys, but there's enough in them for me to do just one nail with. You know what I mean? There's plenty in there, so they're ideal for me, these little samples. So I'm going to use the Modelones No White Shiny Top Coat. Apply that to the nail. Don't cure it. And then just sprinkle that into that uncured top coat. Then I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Now we're going to be adding a little bit of blingage. So I'm using the Full Beauty gem glue. I'm only going to do a few little crystals on the ring finger and the pointer finger. And I'm using my neon crystals, and I'm using the pink mocha as well. That's that one done. And then again, I'm just going to do a few little crystals on this nail. I'll do the caviar beads off camera, guys, just to save time. And that is the crystals all done. Cure them for 60 seconds. And that is what they look like all finished, guys. What do you think? I'm not really a pinky girl, but I actually really like them. I really, really like them. I think that bling goes perfect with these. Don't you? Yeah, I like them. I definitely think those chevron smile lines needed to be rounded off as well. They just didn't look right being so pointed on the tips being rounded at the end. So I'm pleased I did round them off. Really enjoyed doing the nail art with the colour cubes as well. Because they're super pigmented, you only have to do one line. You don't have to keep going over the lines. It's really, really nice to use. So all the products that I've used today, guys, I shall leave the links for in my description box below. So if you're interested in any of them, all you've got to do is click the link and that'll take you straight on over to the product. I have got a 10% off discount code for Modelones as well, which is Gina10. So don't forget to pop that in at checkout to save 10% off your whole order. I just want to say a massive thank you to Modelones for sending these out for us to take a look at. I can't wait to do something more with these builder gels actually. Now I know they're an 8-in-1 as well. I can't wait to have a little play with them because they are so creamy and opaque. I think they're going to be really, really nice to use. So that's everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.